Hi, I want to introduce you to the Levels feature within Salesforce's Nonprofit Success Pack, which is the Salesforce tool used by tens of thousands of nonprofit organizations. The Levels feature is a powerful tool, but it's often overlooked and it's easy to set up. The Levels feature allows nonprofits to automatically categorize donors based on their giving levels or what other factor you might choose, and it automatically assigns and updates donor levels, helping you quickly identify your most valuable supporters for targeted communications and stewardship. So let me show you where to find levels. First of all, I'm in my fake org. If I'll go to my 9 dots, or the waffle as I like to call it, and type in levels, I can search and find plain old levels here. You'll see that I have some set up in my Salesforce org. Bronze, gold, platinum, silver are the names that I have chosen, but often organizations want to use friend, supporter, advocate, or numbers for their levels. You can determine what you want your level names to be. I'm going to go into one of them to show you the other ways that you can customize it to meet your unique needs. Once you have a name, the first decision you have to make is whether you want it to be tied to a contact or an account. If it's tied to a contact, your levels will be tied to individual people. If you tie it to accounts, then it will be tied to your household accounts. Decide what you want to determine your levels. Most organizations go with total gifts, but you could choose total number of gifts or any other metric, and then choose your minimum and maximum amounts for each level. And once you're satisfied with all the levels you've built, then you'll want to check this active box. Once you've checked that, then overnight, all of your accounts or contacts will update with the appropriate levels as you've assigned them. You might have noticed I skipped this engagement plan template field. That's because that's a robust feature that's going to need a video all of its own. It allows you to design specific engagement plans for when donors hit these levels. So you can create tasks for your users, reminding them to reach out to your donors. And so I'll do a follow-up video on that. Also in a follow-up video, I'll show you how you can build reports and dashboards that will include levels for your donors as well. I hope this tip was helpful. If you would like any assistance in setting up levels in your org, please feel free to reach out to RK Mission Force. Really, our desire is to help Salesforce work for you. Have a great day.